Let me show you how to install n8n locally so you can get around the cloud services. Currently, when you go and try and use n8n on their website, you'll end up having to pay monthly, like this $24 per month for the starter edition, whereas you can actually install the entire thing locally as long as you're not using any of the enterprise pieces. And don't worry, this is pretty simple. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll be able to do this. So the only thing that we really need in order to install this is to get Node.js. To do that, we need to go to Node.js.org and then go to the download page. From here, we just click on the installer for our system. My particular system is a Windows system, so I'm going to click the Windows installer. And once you download the installer, you go through the setup wizard. And this is pretty straightforward. We just hit next, and then all of the core packages are already pre-selected for you to install. So we can hit next and finish. Now, once we completed the setup, we can hit finish, and then we need to open up the command prompt. To do that, hit your Windows key and then type in CMD. The command prompt should open up and we can hit enter to open up the application. Now I just like to double check that Node actually was installed. So if you type in Node and then -- version, you should get a version number printed out to you. So right now I have this version 22.14.0. Next, in order to install this, we need to type in one command. And that command is npm install n8n -g. Now the -g option makes sure that n8n gets installed globally so that we can run it as a command anywhere from any terminal. Once you have that written out, hit enter and it will start installing the n8n application. Now once it's finished installing, you might get these warnings that say that some packages are deprecated on certain versions. We don't really need to worry about that. That's just because the application itself uses some older versions of some dependencies, and this is Node's way of telling us that they might be old. Now once it's installed, all we have to do is type in n8n to run the web app and we should be good to go. So I'll hit enter and we should be able to see the output. All right, great. Now it's telling us the editor is now accessible via this URL, and it's just using the 5678 port on localhost. So if we hit O, it should open up in our browser. So now that it opens up in our browser, we do need to go through a setup process. So the first thing that we have to do is create an account. And don't worry, this is not the same account that you might have created on the n8n website. Instead, this account is being saved directly to your local machine. So go ahead and fill this out with your information and then you can hit next. Now, the first time you run this, you're going to get a questionnaire about how to set up n8n specifically for you. And we can select whatever we want for all of these questions. Now, once you answer each one of these questions, we can hit get started. Then in the next panel is trying to get you to sign up for a free license. You can do this if you'd like, if you want these features. Otherwise, you can hit skip. I'm going to hit skip for this. Now that we have n8n up and running, we can use it just like the regular web app on their website. But one thing that's worth noting is if we close out of this command prompt, we'll then lose this website. So if I try to go back to it or refresh this page, it's just going to continuously load and say that it can't be reached. So that means anytime that we want to run the local version of n8n, we have to run this command on our command prompt. And when it's up and running, it should then be accessible from our browser. So that is how you install n8n locally so that you can get all of the features, or most of them at least, for free.